Wait a minute, man. Hey, check this out, Tell it. There's a substitute, right? Man, check this out. There's a substitute, right? He was riding his way across America with his bike, you know what I'm saying? He walked into Calc class, you know what I'm saying? He stopped, he took a deep breath, and he said,
Woo! 6 degrees, ladies. You like that Tesseract, man? Hey, man, I got nth dimensions of that, man. I'll tell you what, I got that temp job, man. I'm gonna be learning you some things. Everybody just crowd around this desk. I'll tell you all the curriculum. But first, I'm gonna start off like this. Hey, help me sing this.
Calc AB in one big zig, baby, that's all we need. We can go to the class and hope to pass, but watch our grades recede. And as the time burns, we can take our turns, making them fancy note cards. Stop and hit the chat with your thinking hat, but only for the odds. So rolls they run, extreme maximum. Always typing more in my TI-84, set it to radian. So solve, dy/dt, isolate the quantities. If you factor out and you don't have a doubt, you might just get a D.
Well, it was just sundown in a small cow town, they call it Durham CT. When the waterman walked into the calc-land, our grades went up.
Yippee!
Well, I was sitting at the table finding F over G, but I got two nerdy O's. I used the derivatives and now it works. L'Hopital is my hero. Then I subbed into F, subbed into G. Answer so right, I'll get at least a 3. It approached from the left, it approached from the right. It existed on the domain, alright. I thought to myself, limits. Got the answer in just a minute. I pulled out my calc and I was on my way until Ziggy Sig said, not today. I ran, I jumped out the back window, but Miss Zigmont, she said, nope, too slow. Oh, I failed to the left, I failed it to the right. All of those quizzes whooped my grade all night, but I ain't mad cause I'm a high school grad. That's the best day in class I ever had. I got a ring of cards and a binder of notes. Hey wait, my teacher is having a pancreatic duodenectomy.
Calc AB in one big zig, baby, that's all we need. We can go to the class and hope to pass, but watch our grades recede. And as the time burns, we can take our turns, making them fancy note cards. Stop and hit the chat with your thinking hat, but only for the odds. So rolls they run, extreme maximum. Always typing more in my TI-84, set it to radian. So solve, dy/dt, isolate the quantities. If you factor out and you don't have a doubt, you might just get a D.
I got me this curve, but what's below? An area, big as Idaho. Let's find the area, man, this will be fun. Doing a rhyming sum so we can be done. Start on the left or start on the right. Either endpoints would be alright. If that don't work, stop being dumb. Hit up that trapezoidal sum. Take the base and the height, divide by 2. It's always fun for me and you. But wait, hold up. Now it's 3D. Cross section of squares, it's easy money. Integrate the area of the square. Hey wait, you missed the dx right there. Now we're revolving about another line. Got a cylinder around y = 9. The curve is the radius that we're using. Throw in pi 2. Now we're cruising. Finish those problems and we're still alive. On the right track to getting a 5.
Calc AB in one big zig, baby, that's all we need. We can go to the class and hope to pass, but watch our grades recede. And as the time burns, we can take our turns, making them fancy note cards. Stop and hit the chat with your thinking hat, but only for the odds. So rolls they run, extreme maximum. Always typing more in my TI-84, set it to radian. So solve, dy/dt, isolate the quantities. If you factor out and you don't have a doubt, you might just get a D.
I saw this function its sine of x. I had to figure out what part's convex. The second derivative drove me crazy. I got the same thing, am I just too lazy? Ziggy came up and you're not finished, so I tacked on a negative with all my quickness. A graph looked like x squared on the paper. I knew that the exponent had to be greater. Increase that exponent up to 3. Is there a coefficient? Possibly. Take the number in front and multiply by the exponent, then you can satisfy. I want to get a 5, but I can't control it. I just took the test and I rocked and rolled it.